Hope everyone are doing good. Welcome to another new episode of Caring Heart, signing in by Sujit. So guys, today we are going to unbox a new riding gear. Hope you guys got to know what kind of riding gear it is. Yes, let's unbox it and check it out. So here is a riding gear, ORAZO shoes, a motorcycling boots. So I just got this product 1 week before, but I didn't have time to unbox it. So today I did this. So I never used this. So unboxing today, I need to check out how the boots are. So I will just show you the condition of the boots. So guys, here is a boot which I just unboxed, and I didn't find any damages or wear and tear because I ordered this in Amazon. So this boots is simple and clean and well finished, and I think it has got comfort while riding. Okay, as I got this boot a week back, and I never checked this and I never used this, so I just want to explain you people about its description, its specification. This is an 8-inch water resistant high biking boot that offers ankle protection and reflector at the heel side for added safety. This boot is comfort, toughness and safety and looks wrapped into one. This is called commando booting style, which has velcro fastening, which makes the process of wearing and taking of the boot simple and quick. And it has got PU sole, high grade abrasion resistant breathable leather fabric, and it has got anti fungal latex sole to keep feet cool and dry when you ride for a long ride. It has got a steel toe to protect your toes when you get a high impact on stones or any vehicle run over the toe. And it has got anti-slip base to avoid the slipperies too. So guys, I just need to check this by wearing, and I need to go for a short ride to feel how comfortable it is. So friends, so guys, if you like these boots, I will just add a link in the description. Just go and check out for the boots. And this is Indian made with a tough leather. Hope this will get a life. So guys, if you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you friends. Hope everyone will get a good time today. Have a nice day.